how to delete? So you have to specify 1 and you have to specify here 4. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So 1 to 4, it will return answer as what? Just a capital A to us. Observe. What is this? Capital. Okay, now I have to put here capital A. Okay, now now observe here. I'm using this set caret method, right? Directly I have used delete 1 comma 4. Here set caret method I have considered, that's why here the data is what? Capital A. Okay, let me go with that itself. Okay, now here what I'm going to do, let it be small a. Now s1 dot set caret of 0 comma capital A. Okay, now I hope you will be fine now here. Okay, now still the answer will be as what? Capital A only, even though here it is small a. I hope you understand this one. Okay, nothing great here. Okay, now observe here, let's understand some other few methods of our StringBuffer class. Simple methods, observe here. Okay, simple, those methods are dead simple. What is that method means? What is that method means? Append method. In string class, if you want to add any string to the existing object data, you are going to use concat method. You are going to use what? Concat method. Here you have to depend upon append method. Okay, which is having argument as object. Okay, which is having argument as what? Object. Okay, now observe here, which is having argument as object. So you can pass anything for that append method. It will append the data to the existing object data. Observe here, what's that implementation? Simple implementation. Observe. Append method having argument as what? Object. Strictly that method. Okay, what is that? Observe here, append of, it's having byte, that is boolean wrapper class, string buffer, many overloaded methods were there. Append of integer, getting append of byte, getting, and append of what? Append of what? Long. Like that, it's having overloaded method. So let me put one small thing, object, as an argument as what? Object. Okay, now what happens? You can pass any value as an argument to this append method. So if I put this one as object, means what happens? If I put as an argument to this append method object, what happens? You can pass any data. What it will do means, here the logic is simple. Observe here, because of this string buffer object, let it be ANIL. What happens here? There will be one string buffer object, it be value. Okay, now how many blocks will be available to us? There will be some 20 blocks. Okay, 0 to 19th index, A comma N comma I comma L. Okay, friends, observe here, let it be S1 string buffer object. If I pass here argument as byte, let it be just as byte. What happens means, this method will access the old object data. If any customized data is available, it will access that customized data. Getting? It will access that customized data. To that customized data, it will append these data. To that customized data, it will append this argument value. What is that? Observe here. Logic to access the old objects customized data, old objects customized data, and add and write O to that data, and write O to that data. Observe here. The meaning means Anil followed by byte will be the modified data. So now what will be the output here? Anil byte. Okay, Anil byte will be the output. I mean, that will be the modification within StringBuffer object. Okay, you can pass anything, any integer you can pass, anything you can pass, guys. Object, it is what? Object. Getting? Now some of you guys are having doubt as, can I pass a runnable interface class object? Some of you guys are having, Mister, you are telling you can pass anything as an argument. If I create a runnable or equals to new thread, okay, now let it be, what is that? S1 dot append of, or what happens? Observe here what happens here. Simple thing. Observe what happens here. It is simple. You can pass any data, any object as an argument to append method. Simply the toString method will be called within this append method on this argument. That string will be appending as data to this that is logic to access old objects customized data, and write O to the O to that data. Observe here this, how they are going to write O to that data means internally they will convert, they will convert it into string. Internally they will convert it into a string. Getting? You can check here, it will be working fine, and if you put this one within SOP statement, you will get what? That structure of thread. What is that? What is that thread? Thread structure. What is that? Priority group, priority, other one is what? Parent thread, and that thread name you are going to get. So if this is the case, means you will get Anil, and what is that thread name? Priority as 5 or something, and parent thread is what? Main. Like this you are going to get the output. Okay, you are going to get the output. So observe here, we are having a method called append within the StringBuffer class, which is having overloaded methods. That is, StringBuffer class is having overloaded append method. So as an argument you can pass any data, but the logic is simple. What is that? Old object data it will access. To that accessed data it will append, it will add this argument O, that is O data, by converting O to the string. Okay, it will append that data. Here I have passed the string, so I am getting what? Anil byte. In case if I use any thread object, no issues, it will what? Append the same logic. So if I use here, observe here, yes dot append of what? Byte. What happens now? SOP of this one, I will get answer as what? Anil byte. Here what is the answer? Anil followed by thread structure, thread name, priority, and parent thread name. So we will get all of these things by using append method. You can achieve all these things. Now coming to the other method, what is that means? Public insert method. Okay, what is that? Insert method. Insert method. You have to pass as an argument. First argument is valid index. Once again, what is valid index means? Customized data block index. Customized data block index. Now what is the customized block index? If this byte, all of these things is not available, means what is the customized data block index? What is the range of customized data block index? Range of customized data block index 0 to 3, that's it. So you have to pass here valid index, that is customized data block index. Now here you have to pass whatever you want to insert, that is object. You can pass anything, no issues. I think so. What is the logic here means? It will insert the specified object getting at specified index. You might be having one doubt. Observe here, you might be having one doubt. It will insert the specified object, that is second argument, data at the specified index, getting at the specified index. If I pass here 2, or else if I pass here, if I pass here 2, and if I pass here capital A N, okay, if I pass like this, now what happens means, observe here, it will inside specified object at the specified index, without losing data, meaning that it will shift this IL to right side, meaning is it will insert the specified object data at the specified index by shifting the already available data. Getting, so there will be no loss of data here. Simple logic you can write if you know shifting logic, getting simple thing. Okay, and of course if you are good in substring method logic, these things will be dead simple. Okay, as part of string class, if you know substring method logic, these are dead simple. Okay, now what's the logic here? Logic to insert the O at the specified index without losing the data, that is, what is that? By shifting the data towards right. Okay, towards right. Now if I pass if I call the string buffer object as what? Observe here, s1 dot insert of 2 comma an. Now what is the output? SOP of s1, like this. Simple thing. Observe here, this object will be modified as what? Observe, string buffer object and char array small a small n 0 1 2 3 4 5. Observe friends, what's the specified index? 2. At this index it will write your specified object data, capital A capital N, without losing prior object data. It will shift the data I capital L. That's it, finished. That's it, finished. Here you will get the output as what? An nil as the output. Getting, you are not losing the data. Observe, we are not at all losing the data. What's the logic here? Logic to insert the O at the specified index without losing the data, that is by shifting data towards right. Getting, by shifting the data towards right. very important logic. Okay, so this is what append method, insert method. Now coming to the other method, what is that? Observe. Coming to other method, I want to delete a particular index character. How to do that one? I want to delete, now observe here, I want to delete this first index data. How to do that one? Simple thing, you have to depend upon one method called as delete char at method. Okay, you have to depend upon one method called as delete char at method. As an argument you have to pass what? Int index. It will return what? A string buffer, that is modified string buffer object to us. Okay, it will return modified string buffer object to us. This method is having logic to delete specified index character, and it will return the modified string buffer object without creating new object. That is very important. Observe here, what is this? Logic to delete the specified index character. Getting friends? Logic to delete specified index character, and returns what? And returns the old string buffer object with modified data. So observe here, now this is our S1 object, right? After inserting this an, now observe, now observe here, now S1 dot delete char at of 1. Okay, now it's returning what? String buffer object, right? Now what happens here? The string buffer object will be in this fashion. Observe, this one will be in this fashion. Okay, this one will be in this fashion. What is that? A will be there, capital A N I L. Okay, there is no small n, this n we have deleted. Okay, now this is what? Char array value. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 till 19th index. Now what will be the answer? A N I L. A and L will be the output to us. This is what? Delete char at method. Okay, this is what our delete char at method. Now observe here, we are having one more method. What is that? Means reverse method. Okay, we are having one more method called as reverse method. Public, it's having return type as string buffer. Reverse, it will reverse the data, that is the characters present within the string buffer, that is fourth index. This is the last index of customized data, right? Yes, this data will be writing here, and this one will be written here, and this one here, and this one. Lena will be the output. It will reverse the entire string buffer object. What is the logic here, guys? What is the logic here? Logic to reverse the characters present within the string buffer object, and returns the old string buffer object. So if I call here SOP of S1 dot reverse. What will be the output? What will be the output? LIN A small a. Lina will be the output. Okay, of course. Yes, and this is what the reverse method. Okay, still we are having some other methods within this string buffer class. Please observe here what we have understood. Append method. We are having append overloaded methods. Many methods were there within this string buffer class. So what I have done that one? I have taken the parent reference. Observe here. Object is a class parent for each and every class, right? For byte, short, integer, long, float, runnable, thread, string, string buffer, for each and every class, object is parent class in our Java. So I have used what as a general thing? Object. And this method is having logic as what? Logic to access old objects customized data. If you are having customized data, I will show this one to you. Okay, if you are having customized data, it will access that one. To that customized data, it will write this O. Internally O will be converting into a string. Getting? So here what I am doing, SOP, I mean append of byte. What will be the output? Anil byte will be the output. Okay, now you might be having doubt, can I use runnable thread? Can I use this thread, all of these things? Yes, mister, no need to worry, no need to worry. What is this? Interface. Interface is also what? Child to what? Our object class. But you cannot see that interface is child to object. Very important, tricky thing, friends. Okay, so here I have used what? Or internally this append method argument will be converting into a string. This data will be writing to the accessed old object customized data. So here you are going to have some thread architecture, thread structure, thread name, priority, and what is that? Parent. Okay, so Anil, that thread name. Okay, thread name and priority, and what is other thing? Parent thread name will be available to us. Okay, now observe here we are having one more method called as insert method. What is the argument of this method? What are arguments of these methods? Int index. Other one is what, friends? Object. That is, the second argument represents which type of data you want to insert at a specified index. Getting? This int index represents valid int index, guys. Okay, valid. This and this must and should be a valid int index. So if I pass here capital AN and if I pass here 2, what happens? Specified index, this object O data will be inserted without losing old object data. That is, they are going to shift from second index to the end index the data towards right. Okay, that is without losing data. So the best example is what? S1 dot insert of 2 comma an. At second index I am going to insert what? An. So here from second index to last index I have some customized old data. That data will not be lost. So this data will be shifted towards right. Okay, you can write simple logics, this and all. If you are good in string class, all methods, predefined methods, logic which we have discussed, then these methods will be dead simple to you guys. You can write your own methods, that is your own logic for all these methods. Okay, now this will be our object after this method insert call. So if I print this one, what will be the answer? Anil. Okay, now coming to other method. If I want to delete a particular index character, if I want to delete a particular index character means I want to depend upon one method called as delete character method having argument as int. So if I pass here, what is a specified index, that specified index character will be deleting from string buffer object. So if I pass here delete character 1, that is first index character. Observe here first index character will be deleting. After deleting this one, what will be the answer? Anil, small a, capital A N I, small l will be the output. Okay, now we are having one more method called as reverse method. This method is having logic to reverse the characters available are present within the string buffer object and returns that same object with modified data, returns the old that is older same string buffer object with modified data, getting with modified data, with modified data. So if I call reverse method, what will be the answer? LINA, capital A, small a, capital A, small a will be the output here. Okay, now observe. Now let me compile these few methods and let me run them. Okay, observe here. So I have taken what? One string buffer object. Okay, now what's the first method? Append method. S1 dot append of byte. Yes, what will be the output? Anil byte will be the output. Observe friends, now the tricky things will come here. What's the append method logic? What is the append method logic? It will access old object data and it will write the argument to the accessed old object data. Now anil byte should be the answer. Java space capital A. Now observe here, can I use runnable, that is thread object? Yes, you can use without any restrictions. Observe here, anil followed by thread name, one open, that is subscript, thread priority, and other one is what? Thread parent name. Observe here will be the output. Observe here, what is that? Thread name is what? Thread. Observe here, of course, I'm sorry, thread name, priority, and parent thread is the structure. Okay, observe friends. Okay, here I have done wrong. Okay, this one should be as what? Thread name, thread name, priority, parent, thread name. Here thread will be the thing, but observe it is working even for these objects also. Getting, you can pass anything as an argument to append method. Internally it will use toString. It will convert this O into internally JVM. Internally it will convert it into string. It will append, it will write that data to access data. Now observe here, think that I have one string buffer object. I have created string buffer object with no data. Observe here, S1 is there which is having no customized data, 0 to 15th blocks. Now S1 dot append of byte. What is the output now? Please friends, observe. What is the logic here? It will access the old object customized data. Do you have any customized data within this object? Nothing. So you will get output as what? Just byte. Very important. Okay, observe. What is the append method logic? Access customized old object customized data. Because of this object creation, ANIL has been created at memory. So here, do you have any customized data within this string buffer object? Nothing. So you will get just byte as the output. Just byte as the output. Okay, now observe here. So let me compile that one. So let me create a string buffer object having no data. Now put here, what is that? byte. Okay, now observe here, you will get just byte friends. Observe here, just byte you are getting, because in our string buffer object we don't have any customized data friends. We don't have any customized data. If you are having any customized data, that will be accessed and that will be present as our output. Okay, now let's understand other method. What is that? Insert method. What this method will do? It will insert the specified data at given index. Yes or no? Yes. At second index I want to index capital A n. Now what will be the output? Small n, capital A n I l. Okay, capital N I l will be the output to us. Observe here, let me compile and let me run. Yes, small a n, capital A n I l is the output. Okay, now observe here. Okay, now observe here, observe here friends, observe here, this must be a valid index, right? I have said to you this must and should be as what? Valid index. What if the case if I pass 4? Let us check what happens if I pass 4. Observe here, is it a valid index? Valid index means what? Customized data block index. Our customized data is what? A n I l. Where is the 4? 4 is customized block index? No, default data block index. Observe what happens here, there will be exception. Okay, observe here, let me pass 4 here. Observe this part at runtime. Of course, okay, what's happening? A n I l. Okay, 1 second, let me pass 5. Yes, observe here. Yes, okay, no issues. Observe friends, observe here, what it is happening means you can insert data from the immediate index onwards, but not next, that is, but not after immediate index block. You can insert the data from this block onwards, but not from this block. There's a meaning. That's why it is giving here out of range. If I can insert data from 4th index, it is valid, but not from immediate next block. Okay, so if I pass here 4, it is valid. If I pass 5, it is invalid. Okay, now let it be. It's not that okay, these things are internal implementation. You can write your own implementation also for all of these things. Okay, now coming to other method. What is that method? Delete caret method. Okay, observe here, I have used what here? 5. That's why it is giving out of range index. If I use here 5, that's the data. If I use 4, no changes. Anil an. Observe here, at our earlier case itself we have get that output. Okay, now okay, let it be. Let's go for understanding other method. What is that method? Delete caret method. Put okay, let it be. Here we are in need of what is that? Insert method logic 2 comma capital A n. Observe friends, observe here. Okay, delete caret. If I pass here 1, what happens? A capital A n I l will be the output. This one will be the output. Observe, let me compile, let me run. Okay, A capital A n I l is the output. Okay, this is what our output. Delete caret method. Now what is the other method? What is the other method, friends? Reverse method. Okay, it is reverse method. What this method is having as logic? What this method is having as logic? Simple. Observe here. Let me take out this SOP statement. It will reverse the content of that is the data or the characters available within the string buffer object. Okay. Now what is the answer here? Li capital N capital A is the output. Observe friends. Okay. Capital A small a. Let me compile, let me run this one. Okay, this is what our data. It will reverse the string buffer characters. Now observe here, still we are having some 3 methods which are so important to us. Okay, which are important to us. Okay, observe friends, what are those methods? Simple methods. And I am telling to you, you can write logic for insert, append, other one is what? Delete, caret, reverse. These method logics are simple, dead simple. If you are having knowledge in string class, predefined methods, logic, there I have discussed each and every method logic. Those method logics only you have to use here. Okay, if you have any doubts, let me know, definitely I'll help you. Okay, now let's go for understanding other methods. What are those methods? Observe friends. Okay, observe what are those methods. Simple method. Think that I have this string buffer object. Okay, now what is the length of this string buffer? Okay, what is the capacity of this string buffer object? Length plus, that is argument length plus 16. So what is the capacity? 20. What is that? What is the capacity friends? Okay, if I use here SOP of S1 dot capacity, observe this part friends. What will be the output? 20 is the output. Now if I use length, what is the output? Just 4. 16 blocks are going to get waste here. 16 blocks are going to get waste here. So what I want to do? Simple thing. In order to avoid that wastage of memory, you have to depend upon one method called as trim to size method. Okay, what is that? Trim to size method, which is having void, which is public method. Observe here, it will deallocate waste blocks from the memory. It will deallocate waste blocks from the memory. Observe here. Okay, what it will do? Logic to deallocate the waste blocks from memory. Getting from memory. Observe here. Now if you call here SOP, not SOP, S1 dot trim to size, what happens now? SOP of S1 dot capacity. Now capacity will be as what? 4. No, these wastage memory blocks, it will be just 4 blocks. That is the trim method, trim to size method logic. It will deallocate waste memory blocks from our string buffer object. Okay,